Xerox School. A demo school for Skoolum. By the end of this video, the admin will be able to charge fee from individual students, classes or sections of any class. The admin will be able to generate and delete fee invoices, as well as analyze the fee collection. When the admin goes to the left side menu, and clicks on Fee Management drop-down button, a lot of options will be shown. Here, when Fee Charts is clicked, the admin can create fee charts for a class or course, remove fee chart or update the fee charts. The admin can also make class-wise fee collection analysis by clicking Class List. Analyze fee collection in the sections with section list. View single student invoices, generate all invoices. Validate an invoice, mark invoice as paid, view invoices. View payment proof of the invoice, view invoices of all students. Search invoices by date range, search invoices by date range in a class and delete an invoice. When the admin goes to the Fee Management button, and clicks on Fee Charts, and then clicks on Create Fee Chart, the page for adding entries to fee charts opens. Here, the admin has to select the class, provide a fee name, write fee amount, give a brief fee description and tick a type of fee. Then by clicking Save Fee Chart, a fee chart entry will be created. Please note that currency can be mentioned in the system info or mentioned at the time of installation of the Skoolum system. Add all the fees for the class and then see the fee chart for this class. The fee chart can be updated by clicking Edit Chart or by going to the Fee Management, Fee Charts, and the Update Fee Chart button. Now if the admin goes to the Class 4, scrolls down to the Fee section, then in the lower portion of the fee card, the admin will see, Add Fee for Entire Class from Fee Chart. By clicking this option, the admin can easily charge a host of fees to the entire class. When the admin goes to a particular student, the charged fee will be shown in the Fee and Fines part of the student. Here, the admin can delete a particular fee. This system would confirm before deletion. A fee chart can be removed. Just go to the Fee Management, Fee Charts, then remove a fee chart. When the page opens, just click the Remove Chart button. The system will ask for confirmation. If OK is clicked, the fee chart will be removed. A fee chart can be updated. Just go to the Fee Management, Fee Charts, then update a fee chart. When the page opens, click on any fee name or fee amount, and the line under it will turn red, and the entry will become editable. When you have made the required changes, click Update Chart button. A green message appears. The fee collection can be analyzed on the basis of a class or course. Here, we are charging the fee from all sections of a class using the fee charts for those classes. The process is very fast, and the fee is charged within a minute. Now we have enough data to analyze the collection of fee on class basis. Now when the admin goes to fee management and then class list button, the page for fee analysis opens. The page has 3 sections. The first part is class fee analysis within a date range. The second part is class fee analysis of the current month, while the third part is class fee analysis since the beginning of time. Here admin can see the name of the class, total fee that was charged, the amount that has been received, the amount that has not been received, and the percentage of collection of fee. Since we have just charged the fee, it has not been collected yet. But in the past analysis we can see collection percentages in the class 4 and 5. When admin selects a date range and then clicks on Get Fee Analysis button, the analysis of that particular period is presented to the admin. The fee collection can be analyzed on the basis of a section of a class or course. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Section List button, the page for section-wise fee analysis opens. Here only sections of class are shown. If a class does not have any section, it will not be shown in this analysis. The page has same 3 parts for date range analysis, current month analysis and an overall analysis. By selecting a date range, the fee analysis for a particular period can be seen. Here, there is another important feature, that the admin can click on View Old Records. Here, all the class sections that have been archived, and are not operating at this time, will be shown with the past fee records. In this case, the system has no such classes. If your school has been on Skoolum for more than a year, the past year's classes will be shown with fee record, and the date range analysis for the past record can also be made. When the system is on old records, it will show the button for viewing current classes. Current classes are still taking place and are in session. The fee invoices of the students can be prepared singly as well. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Single Student Invoice button, the page for creating a single fee invoice opens. Whenever the school admin charges a fine or fee from only one student, the admin can create a new PDF invoice for the student on this page. It is important to note that the system will always have a single unpaid fee invoice. All the previous fee invoices are clubbed together into this most recent fee invoice. Here, the admin downloaded the PDF invoice. This fee invoice will have your school's name on the top left corner, and the name of the student on the top right corner. The invoice will have an invoice date, a unique invoice number and a status of not paid at this point of time. Then just below, all the fee names, amounts and the due dates of every single fee entry are shown. The total of the fee is given as well. Below the total there is a barcode, which can be scanned with the system barcode scanner to verify that this invoice was created by your school system. If the admin clicks on the small downward pointing caret symbol, the field for selecting a student will become empty and editable. Now when you start typing a name here, the system will try to suggest the name of the student in your school. This feature makes it possible to quickly find a student and create a new PDF invoice for that student. The admin can generate fee invoices for all students with a single click. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Generate All Invoices button, the page for generating all invoices opens. There is only one button here, and it says, Get all invoices. The system will try to find the charged and unpaid fee of every student, and then create a fee invoice for that student, and then go to the next student. This process will create and save all the fee invoices on your school server, as well as on your laptop or desktop. Now you can open the zip file that has been downloaded. This file would create a folder when unzipped. In this folder, the admin can view all the fee invoices, saved with the fee invoice number as name. You can view all the invoices, one by one, and make sure that the correct fee amounts have been applied. You can also print these fee invoices or make a separate copy of the folder on Google Drive or Apple Cloud or Dropbox or just in your USB. The invoices issued by the system can be validated by the system. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Validate Invoice button, the page for validating invoices opens. In the lower portion, when you start typing the invoice number, the system suggests an invoice number that is present in the database. And when you click the Find Invoice button, a message about the validity of the invoice is shown at the top of the page and in the top right corner. Here, just scan an invoice barcode, given at the bottom of the invoice, and the system will show that the invoice is valid or invalid, with a message that appears in the top right corner. When an invoice has been paid, the admin will have to mark the invoice as paid. For example, if you go to a particular class and then go to the fee card of the class, you can see that a fee has been charged but its status is pending. This student, when she logs into her account, and she goes to the Fee and Fines page, she will see her current fees in red color. When the student or the parent of the student scrolls down this page, the fee invoice is available for download. If the fee has been paid, the image of the payment receipt can be uploaded as payment proof. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then View Payment Proof button, the page for the pending invoices opens. Here, the admin can see that the student at serial number 1 has uploaded a payment proof 8 minutes ago. The admin can also see a View button, and by clicking this button, admin can see the payment receipt for that fee. If admin is satisfied, then copy the receipt number and go to left side menu, then Fee Management, and then click Mark Invoice as Paid button. Now paste the copied invoice number in the lower section of the page. Now click Invoice as Paid button. A green message appears. Now when the admin goes to the View Payment Proof page, the fee invoice of that student is now gone. And if the admin goes to the class of that student, goes to the Fee and Fines card, now the fee status of that student has changed from pending to paid. If that student goes to the Fee and Fines page, she will see that there is no pending fee and the status of the invoice has changed from not paid to paid. The paid invoice can be downloaded and seen in detail. This can also be seen in the profile area of the student mobile application. The admin can also see all the fee invoices on a single page. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then View Invoices button, the page for showing all the PDF invoices opens. This page has a built-in PDF viewer, that uses Google Drive to view the invoices in the page. If you have thousands of invoices, then the page may take a long time to open and show all the invoices. You can zoom in or out. Open the invoice in your own PDF viewer. Download the invoice after viewing it, or delete an invoice or send it by email. The admin can search for a student by name in this option to view all the fee details. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then All Students button, the page for showing all the students opens. Here, the admin can see all the student names, all of the fees whether paid or not, and the fee amounts. Here, a search can be used to reach at a particular student. This student, who has paid all her fees, is now visible. If the name of this student is clicked, her fee record opens. Here, the admin can see that she has paid all her fees on 1st of December. If another student name is clicked, her fee record opens. This student has not paid the fees. Here, the fee status of a single fee can be changed. This is the option to change status of the fee if you do not want the system-generated fee invoices. The admin can also view invoices in a particular date range. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Invoices by Date Range button, the page for showing this opens. When the admin selects From and To Date by using the calendar drop-downs, and then clicks on Get Fee Invoices button, the fee invoice data for that period opens. Here all the invoices issued during that particular date range will be visible. The fee invoices which have been paid will have zero balance and a date shown in the status column. Here, the search can be used to reach a particular student by using the name of that student. If you click on the invoice number, that fee invoice will be downloaded and will be available for viewing. The admin can also view invoices in a class or a course in a particular date range. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Invoices by Class and Date Range button, the page for showing this opens. Here, all the details are the same as described in the previous step, except that the admin will have to choose a class name as well. The admin can also delete an invoice, if there is such need. When the admin goes to Fee Management and then Delete an Invoice button, the page for deleting invoices opens. Here, an invoice can be viewed by clicking on View Invoice. The invoice will be downloaded to the desktop and can be opened. Then, by clicking on View Fee Details of a student, the fee page for this student will be opened. Then by clicking Delete Invoice button, the invoice may be deleted. But the system will ask for the confirmation of this action first. The admin can charge a fine to any student. The admin can scan the school ID card of any student to reach her page. The admin can also use the top search to find a student by name. Once the page of the student is open, the fee and fines card shows a plus icon with charge fee text. By clicking this button, a small form will open to charge the fine. Just give a detailed and descriptive name for name of the fee field, write an amount of the fine, select the due date for the fine, and then select one time, because the fines are usually single-time occurrences. Now hit Create Fee button. A green message will appear in the top right corner. This fine will be visible in the fee and fines card. The admin can delete this fine, if admin wishes to delete it. When the student or parent of the student goes to her mobile app, she will see that she has been charged a fine for late coming on 1st of December, 2018. She will also see this fine on the fee and fine page. When the invoice will be generated, it will be included in the fee list. The next video is about exam and test management.
Please like, subscribe and share Skoolum videos.